What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. Here I have some snap ring pliers from 1A Auto. And they're universal type. You can change the bits out depending on what application you need them for. They will close a snap ring, and also if you push this little button down, swivel this over here, then you can get it to open a snap ring, which is pretty neat. Put it back. Get yours at 1aauto.com and you'll be ready to rock and roll.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.